This is our 2002 Bluebird International. Our name on Instagram is the Bearded Moose 23. We're hail from Louisiana, and this is our first year at Schoolypalooza. Would you like to come see our bus? This is my husband Michael and our daughter Felicity. We have been full-time in our bus since September of 2020, and we've been working on it for almost 2 years now. So we have a lot more to do, and today is actually a construction day. We're working on our shower, but you're more than welcome to walk through, and I will go through as we go. So this is our temporary couch. We will be having a full storage slide-out couch, hopefully in the next 2 to 3 months. And then we actually just put this countertop in like a week before we actually came out here, so this is brand new for us and I love it. One big thing for us was I cook everything, so we had to have a full-size range, and it was a beast to get in here because we had to go through the back door. We only have an apartment-sized fridge because everything we buy is mostly fresh produce, so we don't really need it that much. This is eventually going to be Felicity's bunk, but right now it's all of our storage because she still sleeps with us. And then our eventual soon-to-be shower, because that was the main project we had for when we got out here, was to finish our shower. And then back here we have our pantry, which was like a last-minute decision because we're like, oh crap, before we left, we have nowhere for our food. And then this is just general random storage right now because we're mid-construction. We have a queen-size bed, and right now all three of us share it because Felicity's bunk isn't made yet. We still have makeshift closets because we haven't finished them yet. All of Michael's tools, because he is a contractor, go underneath our bed and in our garage, which is outside, which houses our hot water heater, all of our electrical, and soon to be all of our solar panel batteries.
Yeah, and that's behind.
Yeah, and that's
in there.
Right here in this box. If we want to go outside, we can go look at that too.
Yeah, we'll take a look at that.
That's about it for the inside, unless there's anything else you want me to explain.
I'm sorry?
Unless there's anything else you want me to go over.
No, no, that's fine. And you have social media presence? People want to see or get a hold of you, ask questions, or? Oh,
we have our Instagram is the Bearded Moose 23.
Okay.
And that's all we have right now is Instagram. We don't have a
Not
Facebook page.
Thanks.
We don't have
And
Pinterest. We don't have anything else.
I look forward to catching up to you next year and seeing how it's come along.
Yes, it'll be much different next year. Hopefully we'll have a almost finished bus by then.
Do you realize that schoolies are never
finished.
Done. They're done-ish.
Done-ish, yeah.
Yeah.
Hoping more done by the time we come back next year.
All right. Thanks, Lou. We'll take a look outside.
Okay.
Yeah, so just putting in the tankless hot water heater, and I like the manifolds for...
Well, actually, we have this hooked up so that when the hot water's running, we can actually do outside baths.
Right.
Because our daughter is obsessed with playing in water, so before we left home, we actually would give her hot baths in her little kiddie pool outside.
Sure.
So why not just leave it? Because
great idea.
During the summer, when we're out at the beach or doing whatever, we can just come back here, rinse everything off real quick before we even have to get on the bus, and it's less sand, less dirt, and we can actually just pack everything right here and wait till we get to like the laundromat or whatever, and we can just take it all out and wash it.
Well, with mine, I've got a shower head, on a hose right above the back door, and I've been known to drop it outside and hose things off.
I mean, that was basically the same concept we thought of, was just that way we have an outside water source so that we don't have to drag everything in. Yeah, and this is a great way to do it. Yeah. And it was so easy to just put this here because we had the extra door. So instead of having a king-size bed in the back with 2 doors, we turned it into our electrical closet. So eventually, like, we have our, water pump, and everything like that. This actually runs all of our lights right now because we don't have solar. So we can run off of this with using our water pump for almost a month without charging it.
Nice.
And it's just a little 12-volt battery. That's it. Right. And I mean, it's all we need.
Yeah, that's a good illustration of just how low voltage, or how few amps those water pumps really use.
Yeah, and I mean, all of our 12-volt lights, we can turn all of them on. We've left them on for a whole day, and the batteries just kicks right back on, no problem. And all of our solar batteries are going to go back here, so he's going to lose storage for all of his tools. But everything's going to go back here so that it's all housed in one spot and not just randomly placed throughout the bus. So that was why we wanted to go ahead and do an electrical closet. That way it was easy to access, easy to have everything all together. And we're gonna, once we get everything finished, we're gonna have a fire extinguisher back here too, just in case.
Sure. All right, well, thank you for the tour.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified, so make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.